Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. Today my family is out of the house for a glorious 4 hours, and so I thought I would clean my nasty house. Because I don't know, you can see behind me, things got a little crazy this morning. I was trying to be a good parent and do like puzzles and crafts and stuff, but that means that I have just garbage all over my house. Like legitimate, actual garbage. So I thought I would clean it today for you and post it, and you can clean along with me or not. I don't know, do what you feel. Yeah, let's get started. All right, so today I just started out by opening up some windows so it doesn't feel like a dungeon in my house anymore, and trying to find a home for those emoji pillows. My kids got them for Christmas. They don't have a home, so they live in the corner, and they are very yellow. But the kids love them, so until then, that's just where they live. Oh, and I very nearly just took down my entire curtain rod, but you know, go big or go home, right? Ugh. And now you can see my son loves these little cards. He just loves cards of any kind, and he loves to shove them in boxes, and they end up all over the floor and all over my house. And you know what? If I never see another deck of playing cards as long as I live, it would be too soon. He's also really into these train tracks, and I'm so glad I found those bins at TJ Maxx, Home Goods, whatever the store is, because they fit perfectly under the couch, and I can just kind of put them all in there, and he can pull them out whenever he wants, which is literally every day, and just spread them all over the carpet. But whatever, they're train tracks. I also love my couch, but I did not plan ahead when I thought about the 2 small children that would be shoving all of their toys under it on a daily basis. So that broom and I are old buddies. I'm just gonna do some dishes for you. One of the big things that I've really been working on lately is I've been trying to conserve water. I know I run the water like a lot in this little clip, and actually watching it makes me like, oh my god, like it's kind of tough to really tell how much water you're using until you see it in video. So I definitely am trying to get better at that, but clearly not there yet. Another thing that we're trying to get, that we're trying to work on rather, is not dumping everything on the kitchen island as soon as we come in. It's pretty much the middle of our house. It's like the main hub of our house, and as you can see, just everything gets dumped on there. And it's a lot. And I could clean it off and it'll look like that again in 30 minutes. So that's another thing we're really working on. I have some solutions, but really it's just getting in the habit of putting stuff away and training the rest of my family members to do the same, even though I'm just as big of a culprit as they are. So let's be honest. Okay, so that's it for me today. I didn't do a lot of explaining or deep cleaning. This was just really a speed clean while my family was out of town. They weren't out of town. They were just down the street. But anyway, it was a speed clean to get the house kind of back in order after some shenanigans. But I did make my husband mop. I didn't make him mop. He actually likes mopping. He bought that mopping stuff. So if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.